Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Storage Gear phone stand plus ring light. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device itself. We can see its two arms along with the smartphone mount. Here is the ring light, and here we have the three different tones of the ring light, namely cool, warm, and medium tone. We also have the USB cable that powers the device and an inline control module along with the clamp. The left hand side of the box has the different color options for this product, namely black and white. The right hand side is the same. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and the back of the box is exactly the same as the front. So that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a smartphone holder. It has a primarily plastic build and is extendable and spring loaded, meaning that when there's a smartphone placed in it, it will clamp into place and it will be tight and sturdy. On the insides over here and over here, we have the soft materials to prevent the smartphone from getting scratched up because of this mount. On the bottom of the mount, we have a ball mounting point, which when we unscrew this knob, we can place on the arm of the device, place push it into place on the ball mount, and we can use this knob to tighten it up as well. Let's do that now. Next up, we have the device itself. One of the arms is for the smartphone. The arm is of the gooseneck kind, which means it can be adjusted into a comfortable position, and it's approximately 12 inches in length. The other arm is for the ring light. On the end, we have a 6.5-inch ring light, and that has a white hazy front. This arm is of the gooseneck kind as well, and it too can be adjusted into a comfortable position. From the ring light, we have the power cable. It has a USB Type A interface on the end of it to draw power from, and in the middle, we have an inline control module. The inline control module has four buttons on it. There is one button to turn the device on or off. We have the plus and minus buttons to increase the brightness of the light, and right in the middle, we have the button to change the color temperature of the light. We will be demonstrating that as well. Right on the bottom, we have a big clip made from metal. It is quite sturdy and it can be used to mount the device onto a sturdy surface. So let's see all of this in action now. For the purposes of this video, we will be using this plastic piece to mount the device on using this clip. As you can see, it is quite sturdy, and once mounted, it stays in place. Next, we can adjust the arms to be more comfortable. Uh, we can use this smartphone mount to attach a smartphone. One thing to note is to make sure that the power buttons and the volume buttons are not pressed while mounting it. Next up, we have a power strip right here, in which we will be attaching the USB Type A interface. Pressing the power button on the inline control module switches on the lights. Pressing the plus or minus buttons will reduce or increase the intensity or brightness of the light, as we can see right here. And pressing the button right in the middle for the color temperature, we'll change the color temperature. Right now it has a cool color temperature, and now it has a warm color temperature. Now we have it in the medium color temperature. This device can be used for home film makers who are shooting their videos using a smartphone, and this can be a nice fill light for the same. This was the unboxing of the Storage Gear phone stand plus ring light. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.